definitely is hit. It connected there. Now it's full.
As the sun began to set on Northridge Street, the pace of the cleanup intensified. Officials say this part of Precinct 4 was hit the worst by whatever blew through here at about 2 o'clock this afternoon.
He's like, it's wind. I said, run.
Javier and his son took the alert seriously and managed to safely ride out the storm.
We heard glass breaking, we heard trees falling, we heard a thud on the roof. I mean, look around. The neighborhood is full of amazing people.
Javier takes us on a tour of the damage left from the storm, strong enough to snap mature pine trees and uproot oaks.
This was a big, beautiful shade tree. Not much use for it now other than for firewood.
The storm even lifted buildings.
This residence here has a whole garage that's been picked up and moved on top of the power lines.
Assistant Chief Toby Hecker with the Precinct 4 Constable's Office had to shut off the gas to a generator because of the fire starting from downed power lines. The power to the neighborhood was eventually cut off completely in order to reduce the threat of more fires.
I heard like a whistle, and the wind was just so intense. I'd never heard it like that before.
A few streets away, Catherine Franco and her daughter rode out the storm together in their home. Because she acted quickly, the pair is among the many residents able to walk away uninjured after the storm had passed.
We went straight to the laundry room where we were safe. I knew we'd be safe there.
More than 100 homes were damaged Monday afternoon after a tornado ripped through Harris County, Texas. Drone video of the destruction revealed the extent of the damage, which included torn-off rooftops and debris strewn across yards and pools. No serious injuries or deaths have been reported after the storm. Severe storms developed in the Houston area on Monday afternoon, where warm temperatures were in place ahead of a cold front. An unstable atmosphere combined with wind shear produced supercell thunderstorms, which resulted in several reports of a tornado.
You know where the gas is?